All artists know the drill. Hit the studio, drop tracks online, and hope for the best. But let's be real, that's just the start. I'm here to share some game-changing tips to hustle smarter, not just harder. First up, it's all about quality. Hit up Mix Recording Studio for top-notch audio. Remember, investment now pays dividends later. Next, expand your circle. Rub elbows at workshops, festivals, and local gigs. Connect with DJs, promoters, and other big players. Your network is your net worth. Collabs are gold. Partnering up spreads your reach, taps into new audiences, and builds lasting relationships. It's a win-win. Stage time is your secret weapon. It's not just a gig, it's a chance to connect, vibe, and leave your mark. Own that stage. Streaming is the name of the game. Get your tracks on Spotify, Apple Music, and more. It's where the world grooves. Think of your EPK as your musical passport. Show off your best tracks, bio, visuals. Make it impossible for industry peeps not to press play. Social media ain't just posts, it's your backstage pass to the world. Engage, drop teasers, and create a visual symphony. Oh, and get top-notch visuals from Mix Recording Studio for that extra oomph. Lastly, don't sleep on marketing. It's your way to strategize, measure impact, and stay ahead in the game. Track what works and what doesn't. So folks, remember, it's not just about making music, it's about making noise. Use these tips, hustle smart, and watch your audience grow. Let's elevate together. Keep grinding, keep creating, and most importantly, keep pushing boundaries. Your journey to the top starts with these tricks. Go get 'em, artists. Need help? Connect with Mix Recording Studio for the best music services in LA. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep the beats alive and the hustle strong.